Whether you offer passenger transport or emergency transport service, this video is for you. Today, we will discuss how to get transport tenders in the UK. First, you set up your transport business. Assured Bid provides one-to-one consultation sessions to guide you through the setup and compliance. Then, you register for BidSuite Pro. This will help you see all the open tenders in the UK, both regulated and unregulated. Click on the search bar and type transport or transportation. Once you click on the tender, it shows you the details: the opening date, deadline, budget, category, evaluation period, and contract award date. Then you will see information about the tender. Scroll to the right a bit and click on Express Interest to show your interest. Then you will proceed with your tender application. There are several other features you can access per tender on BidSuite. Subscribe to BidSuite Pro to unlock the more advanced features. Visit getbidsuite.co.uk to get started. For further assistance, contact us on support@assuredbid.co.uk or call 0203 883 1022.